This is the Bepovan with PBT IFK Aether on it. It has the foam, or I guess the felt at the bottom with a half plate, with toy switches inside that were lubed just with 205 I did not film these. So here we go. Let's do a little typing test, shall we? Oh, this is so weird to type on. Alright, let's open things up here. I didn't flash this as via yet. I got the message from the runner. Oh, this is interesting. Wait, is this supposed to be like this? Oh, this is fucking sick. Okay, guys, hold on. Dude, look at this. Yo, I'm actually really into this. Oh, look, there's Swtiches' name. Hold on, I'll zoom in. Look at that. I love this, dude. So who do we got here for names? For community members here? Oh, we got Simon. There's a lot of text. Let me read it to you guys. Personally, I think it was something the hobby was lacking. Like, seriously, who wouldn't, or why wouldn't people put spaces between rows? Everyone may think it's stupid, but it's an amazing thing to have so many niche projects. Separation of the rows may lead to an uprising in new styles. Ergo, I have to agree. Ergo boards that may transform, what does that say? Transform the hobby. This is really small, guys. I'm like, you guys can clip it if you guys want and read it yourselves. As a whole, which IMO is pretty exciting to think about. Like, when's the last time you had an innovation like this personally? This person said, Taylor fucking goes hard. This one says, I hate it. Then this stands for the fucking goat is here. Swtiches said, no cap, this is hot as fuck. And there's some other ones. No cap, dude. And here's the other side of this. Oh, that's cool too. This is super creative. I like this. This is like really cool. Bepo for America. Bepo for America. I don't know how to pronounce it. That's cool as fuck, dude. I like this a lot. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. It's a very cool PCB. Dude, I have to admit, dude. You guys know me. I like aesthetics of things, and don't get me wrong. I think that, like, there are some aesthetics that go super well with some things, but there are like the outliers in terms of like cool projects, and this is definitely, like, when I saw this I was laughing and I was like, dude, this is so cool. Ooh, this is a nice purple. Dust, get out of here. Got a little half plate here. Cool. Thank you, dude. Oh man, Noblez, thank you so much, dude, for the prime. I appreciate you, bro. All right, let's get this out of the way. All right, so pretty straightforward build. We got our screws. I'm assuming this is like a felt. All right, let's move this felt to the side, so I'm not too concerned about it right now. Let's take a look at this. Okay, there's a lot of like dust particles. Do I have a cleaning cloth readily available? Okay, no. But anyways, ignore the dust particles. 1/3 plate, kinda. Add separation to rows feels like solving a problem that doesn't exist. But you know what? It's different, and I'm here for different, dude. Production unit 2 of 20. There's the bottom. We got our feet pre-installed. Anno looks pretty good on this. I don't know if this is just because, like, obviously this is not my unit, or there's like a striping line on the middle here. You guys can kind of see. I don't know if you guys can catch that. But there is just like a little nick on the back here. I don't know if that's something that'll wipe away. No, it looks like a little nick in the metal. Otherwise, pretty decent. Just a little line over here from the anno. Otherwise, pretty decent though. think this is one of those projects that's just gonna be really fun to build. Oh, dude. Did I really get trolled by the keyboard? Does that actually say DN on it, dude? Oh my god. I don't want to do this keyboard anymore. I think I've had enough. Don't need to do this, dude. Drop this one? I think I might have to. This wasn't even... This was like... This was thought of before you guys started memeing on me, too. That says DN, dude. I'm not even... I can't make this shit up, dude. That's, like, not even, like, etched in. This is... Cool, though. I think this is neat. Bepovan, however we want to pronounce it. Alright, let's move this to the side. I believe this has one singular stab on it. I believe. Which we're gonna use, dude. We're gonna use. And this is that felt. A lot of fibers on this felt. It's okay. Why did you buy this? That was the thought process. So I did not pick this up. This is sent to me. This is like a commission bill. But honestly, would I buy this? Yeah, I think I honestly would. I think this is like different enough from everything else that I have for me to like warrant it, dude. Focus, camera. I think this is different enough for me to like warrant this, dude. You know, I'll be honest, guys. I'm not a big fan of split spacebars. Personally, not a big fan. This is pin bent a little bit. So I kind of like the fact that this supports a bigger spacebar as well. So weird, dude. I love this. This is so interesting. So weird, dude. So interesting. You guys are gonna see. It's gonna be cool. It's gonna be cool. Okay, let's solder this all together. We've loaded up via on this. I have it. Let's put this all together. So yeah, I think at the end of the day, this is a very, very cool project. I literally see no issues with it. Quality's pretty interesting. Or good, rather. If I love this felt, though. Let's see. Is felt gonna give us problems? Oh, okay. The only thing I'd say, the only negative criticism I have is that fiber thing at the bottom just sheds like fucking crazy. That is the only criticism I have really about this. I think the ano is okay. I don't think it's the best ano I've seen. Machining looks fine. There's no machining marks. But the ano was definitely hit some lines. Like I'd say, like you can definitely notice this in the right light. You can see it there. You guys can kind of see it, right? The ano. You guys see that? It's really the only noticeable spots are on the sides. See that? The bottom, top, different colors. A little bit here in some areas. So ano's not the best. Machining's fine. Everything else seems fine. Plate definitely, I don't know if this plate's gonna be like this kind of like, you can see some of the little fringes here. Let's try it out though. Let's put some keycaps on it. Interesting. Yo, I actually like the way this sounds. Okay, hold on, chat. You guys ready for this? Guys. It actually sounds really good. Do an actual typing test. Alright, guys. Click or press the key to... Oh, okay. Fuck, dude, this is gonna be so bad. I can't even type normally. Wait, how do you change the theme? No, that's not it. That's not it. How do you change the theme, chat? Where do you change it? That's not it. Theme. Wait, what? There's Aether on here, right? Control F. Aether. We're back to it, dudes. All right. Here we go. What the fuck am I clicking? Oh, the T's over here. Dude, you guys have never seen me do this again. First. Dude, this is so weird. 44, dude. Not bad, dude. Not bad. How do you do this again, dude? Ah! Dude, I fucking suck at typing. Not bad, dude. Moving up in the world, chat. Mm-hmm. Don't worry, man. I'm potato. Guys, that's it. Not bad, dude. Dinosaur. I live up to my name, dude. Not bad, chat. Oh, hold on. Not bad at all, dude. What do we think, dude? Honestly, cool keyboard. I'm not gonna lie. Please put this away now. This is on my desk the rest of the day. Are you kidding me? Look at this. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my entire life. Dude, this is sick. Actually sounds pretty good. It does sound pretty good, dude. I think you need to fix the connector on the cable. Yeah, I know, dude. It's broken. I ran over it with my guys, listen, chat, listen. I ran over the cable with my chair by accident. It was casualty in building keyboards. Actually sounds pretty good. Super weird layout. Love it though. Absolutely stoked on life for this. This is really cool. Really cool.